Himself, that frame, love of Krishna, appeared in His holy name. That Krishna in the form of Gauranga, get that frame and chanting His holy name. That frame cannot be obtained through karmanistha. Through tapa, tapasya, penance, through dhyana, through meditation, through ashtanga yoga, through vairagya, detachment, sthava, prayers, karma tyaga, giving up the fruits of one's activities, prema cannot be achieved. That is very confidential tattva, gudha tattva. That was manifested prior to the advent of Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Gaurachandra. Therefore I pay my obeisances, Naumi Gauram, to that Sachinandan Gauranga, who get free through chanting holy name. Chaitanya Chandraya Nama Namasti, Chaitanya Chandraya, Chaitanya Chandraya Nama Namasti, Chaitanya Chandraya Nama. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Adi Lila, chapter 1, text 45. Chaitanya Charitai Amrutera Sindhu. समग्र जगत प्रेमी भाषा है जहाँ एक भिन्न. This Chaitanya Charitra, the pastimes of Chaitanya, is known as Chaitanya Charitamrita, it's nectar, amrita. Chaitanya Charita is amrita, ocean of nectar. Even one drop of that ocean, one drop of that ocean, would inundate whole world in praise. Such is this Chaitanya Charitamrita. So, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, the compiler of this Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, before starting the writing of this Chaitanya Charitamrita, first he wrote this verse. Bandi Guru Nisa Bhakta Nisa Misa Avataraka Tat Prakashastra Tat Shakti Krishna Chaitanya Sanyakam. First begins. I offer my respectful obeisance unto the spiritual masters, the devotees of the Lord's incarnations, His plenary portions, His energies, and primal Lord Himself, Sri Krishna Chaitanya. Then he wrote, second, third, like this, 14 verses he wrote. This is Mangalacharan. 14 verses. After that, he explains one verse. 14 verses. This topic here, this Guru Tattva, Bande Guru, fasting Guru Tattva. That Sadharani Prabhure Koriya Namaskari, Satya Honda Ichhe Koriye Vichar, Jatyapi Amar Guru Chaitanya Das, Tathapi Janiya Ami Tahar Prakash. Begins. Although I know that my spiritual master is Sarvhidar Sri Chaitanya, I know him also as a plenary manifestation of the Lord. Then he says, Guru Krishna Rupahana Shastriro Pramane Guru Krishna Rupahana Shastriro Pramane Guru Rupe Krishna Kripa Korin Bhakta Goni Translation by Srila Prabhupada. According to deliberate opinion of all revealed scriptures, the spiritual master is none different from Krishna. Lord Krishna in the form of the spiritual master delivers his devotees. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. The relationship of a disciple with the spiritual master is as good as the relationship with the Supreme Lord. A spiritual master always represents himself as the humblest servitor of the personality of Godhead. But the disciple must look upon him as the manifested representation of Godhead. Guru Krishna Rupahano Shastra Praman, the Shastra Praman. This is the evidence given in Shastra, revealed scriptures. That Srila Prabhupada written according to deliberate opinion of all revealed scriptures. Spiritual master is none different from Krishna. Then he quotes, Srila Kaviraj Goswami quotes one Shastra Praman from 11th canto Srimad Bhagavatam. Acharyam mang vijanyam nagamanyet karichit namurtya buddhya suyeto sarvo deva mayo guru. Quoted this thing. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. One should know the Acharya as myself and never disrespect him in any way. One should not envy him, thinking him an ordinary man. He is the representative of all demigods. This is Shastra Pramana, one of the Pramanas, evidences, Shastra. And this, my revered spiritual master, Srila Prabhupada, gives us, says in his purport, this is a verse from Srimad Bhagavatam 11th canto, 11, 17, 27, spoken by Lord Krishna when he was questioned by Uddhava regarding the four social and spiritual orders of society. He was specifically instructing how a brahmachari should behave under the care of a spiritual master. A spiritual master is not an enjoyer of facilities offered by his disciples. He is like a parent. Without the attentive service of his parents, a child cannot grow to manhood. Similarly, without the care of the spiritual master, one cannot rise to the plane of transcendental service. The spiritual master is also called Acharya, or a transcendental professor of spiritual science. Manu Samhita 140 explains the duties of an Acharya, describing that a bona fide spiritual master accepts charges of disciples, teaches them the Vedic knowledge with all its intricacies, and gives them their second bath. This ceremony performed to initiate a disciple into the study of spiritual science is called Upanidhi, or the function that brings one nearer to the spiritual master. One who cannot be brought nearer to a spiritual master cannot have a sacred thread, and thus he is indicated to be a Shudra. The sacred thread on the body of a Brahmana, Kshatriya or Vaishya is a symbol of initiation by the spiritual master. It is worth nothing if worn merely to boast of high friendliness. The duty of the spiritual master is to initiate a disciple with the sacred third ceremony, and after this sanskara or purificatory process, the spiritual master actually begins to teach the disciple about the Vedas. A person born a Sudra is not barred from such spiritual initiation, provided he is approved by the spiritual master, who is duly authorized to award a disciple Brahmana if he finds him perfectly qualified. In the Vayu Puran, an Acharya is defined as one who knows the import of all Vedic literature, explains the purpose of the Vedas, abides by their rules and regulations, and teaches his disciples to act in the same way. Only out of his immense compassion does the personality of Godhead reveal himself as the spiritual master. Namatma pravachane labhyo no medhaya no bahuna sutena jamabe sabruniti in labhyas sasisatma vibruniti tanuswam. This is from Kathopanishad. This is another praman, Shastra praman, the evidence from scripture. Namatma pravachane labhyo no medhaya no bahuna sutena jamabe sabruniti in labhyas sasisatma vibruniti tanuswam. Upanishads are the topmost portion of the Vedas. This Upanishads. So Kathopanishad says, this Paramatma Tattva you cannot understand. Na pravachanena na bahuna sutena. Namatma pravachan labhya na bahuna sutena. By hearing so many pravachanas from so many persons, so many pandits, scholars, jnanis, yogis, you cannot understand. Namatma pravachan labdhano medhaya. You cannot understand also this Paramatma Tattva through by dint of your own material merit, knowledge, or intelligence. You can't understand. No medhaya. Namatma pravachan labhyo no medhaya no bahunasvati. Jamabe sabunti tena labhyas. Tasisatma vibrunti tanuswam. But when that Lord who is there in your heart as Paramatma, known as Chaitya Guru. Chaitya Guru. Guru Chaitya Vapusha. There is another verse also. Guru Chaitya Vapusha. Guru is the manifestation of that Chaitya Guru, that Paramatma, Super Soul who is there in your heart. When he manifests himself, assuming a body before you, that Paramatma, that super soul who is there in your heart, when you will assume before you, when you appear before you, assuming a body, when he will speak of himself, by his mercy you can understand that Paramatma Tattva. And before whom he appears, that is another question. Before whom he appears. The soul of the jiva, the living entity, who becomes very eager how to understand this Paramatma Tattva. In Bhagavad Gita you will find Krishna said, Chaturvidha bhajante mang, jana sukrutin arjuna, artha artharthi jigyasa, jnani cha bharatas. Isn't Maharaj? So jigyasa, this is what he says. Jigyasa is very eager to know and inquire. What is that Paramatma Tattva? How can I understand? Very eager in his heart. Krishna is there in our heart as a Paramatma Chaitanya. You understand? Yes. He's not very eager to understand me. Very eager. So without my help, he cannot understand. Without Krishna's help, you cannot understand. As for example, without the help of some sign, you cannot see the sun. Can you see the sun without the help of some sign? When there is no sun here, it's night here, can anybody, any scientist, with challenge, let him come forward with his most recent scientific invention and show this sun? Can he? No. Can't. Without the help of some sign, you cannot see the sun. Similarly, without the help of Krishna, you cannot see him, understand him. You understand? Without his help, you cannot see him, you cannot understand him. That is faith. Satravidha vadante manjana sukrudin arjuna. Arti artharti jigyasu jnani savarakarsava jigyasu. This is jigyasu. One is very eager to know and always inquiring. Who is that Brahman? Who is that Supreme Lord? How can I understand this jigyasu? How can I know him? How can I understand him? How can I approach him? How can I get it? Such jnana, such inquiry. He's always inquiring his heart. The Paramatma in the heart understand. Oh, he is not very eager to understand. Then, before him he appears. Jamebe sabrunti tin labhyas tasisa atma viprunti tan swam. What Upanishad says. He is the qualified person. He is the qualified person now to understand. So he appears as Guru, spiritual master. So that is it. Here it says, Guru Krishna Rupahano Shastri Rupamana. This is Shastra Pramana. Guru Krishna Rupahano. According to delivered opinion of all spiritual master, the form of Krishna is none different. That says, is Shastra Pramana. Also elsewhere in Chaitanya Charitamrita you'll find Shastra Guru Atma Rupi Apna Ki Janana Shastra Guru Atma Rupi Apna Ki Janana Krishna Moro Prabhutrata Jiver Hoi Jnano Krishna Shastra Guru Atma Rupe Apna Ki Jana Krishna Moro Prabhutrata Jiver Hoy Gyan. Krishna, how he manifests himself. Srudam Sarvabhutanam. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna said, Srudam Sarvabhutanam Gyantvam Santi Ruchati. I am the only well-wishing friend of all living entities. Krishna. No friend is there. These are only well-wishing friends. Sruda. The conditioned soul has forgotten him. Forgotten Krishna from time immemorial. You cannot trace out its history, its beginning. Anadi. Krishna bhuli sahi jivo anadi vahi mukho. Otoi maya tare deo sansara. Krishna bhuli sahi jivo anadi vahi mukho. Anadi. From time immemorial. There's no beginning. It's not. Just completely forgotten Krishna. And we have been suffering here in this material world, being entrapped by Maya. How can he understand Krishna? He has completely forgotten. No memory at all. No memory at all. No memory. Complete. Srihudam Sarvodhanam. Krishna says, I am the only well-wishing friend of all the living entities. But Krishna has not forgotten you. You have forgotten Krishna. Conditioned so. But Krishna has not forgotten you. No. He has not forgotten. He has remembered you and he is always remembering you. Always remembering you. He is so merciful. Sruhuda, such a well-wishing friend. So what he is doing to revive your memory, remembrance. Shastra Guru Atma Rupe Apana Kidana Krishna Mo Prabhutrata Jiver Paivya. Otherwise, how we condition ourselves? No! Research of knowledge. First thing, Shastra. Shastra. And Bhagavad Gita says, Tasma Shastra Pramanam Karja Karja Vyavastita. Isn't it? Maharaj. Tasma Shastra Pramanam. Do you understand? Shastra means Vedic literature. Vedic Shastra. That is Shastra. By the Vedic proof, evidences given in Shastra, you should accept. Shastra Pramana, Veda Pramana, Shruti Pramana, Pramana Ramadhe, Shruti Pramana Pradhana, that Pramana Tattva. Chit proof is Shruti Pramana, Vedic proof. So, Tasma Shastra Pramana. So first, Maya Muddho Jiveranai Krishna Smriti Jnana Jivere Kripaye Kaile Krishna Veda Purana. First thing. It's first thing. Maya Muddho Jiveranai Krishna Smriti Jnana Maya Muddho Jiva. Conditions of builders of completely builder. Completely forgotten Krishna. Nahi Krishna Smriti Jnana. First thing Shastra. Jivere Kripaye Kaile Krishna Veda Purana. Out of mercy Krishna compiled this Veda Puranas, in which he speaks, through which he speaks. Krishna speaks. Veda Purana. Therefore, Shastra, Guru, Atma Rupi, Apana Kidana, Krishna Mo Prabhutra, Aha, Jiver Hoy Kya. First. But what is said there in Shastra, Veda? That is to be understood through Tattva. Tattva. That he also said in Bhagavad Gita. Janma karmam cha me divyam evam joveti tattvata. Tyaktva deham punarjanma noyeti samangeti arjuna. My birth, my activities are not material. It's transcendental. Janma karmam cha me divyam evam joveti tattvata. One who understands it in tattva, in essence. Tyaktva deham punarjanma noyeti samangeti arjuna. After quitting his body, he will come to me. He will never be again born here. That he says. So that is the goal of human life. To understand Krishna in Tattva. So what he has said through Veda Purana, that should be understood in Tattva. But a conditioned soul cannot understand what Veda has said in Tattva. No. Therefore, Guru is required. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadekshyanti te jnanam jnanina tattvadarshina. It's tattvadarshi. Upadekshyanti te jnanam jnanina tattvadarshina. Those who have seen the truth, that absolute truth, supreme truth, Param Tattva, Param Satya, of which Who is Advaita Tattva? Advaita Jnana Tattva Braje Brajendra Kumar. Isn't it? Is Advaita Tattva. Advaita Jnana Tattva Braje Brajendra Kumar. Brajendra Kumar, the son of Nanda Maharaj. Nanda Nandana Krishna is Advaita Jnana Tattva. One who has seen it. Who knows him? Tattva Drashta, Tattva Jnata. One who knows this Tattva, one who has seen it. He is Guru. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadekyanti te jnana jnanina tattvadarshana. What is the process? Tadvijnanartham sagurungavadidachet samitpani satriyam brahmanishtam. Upanishad. So many Shastra Praman. So many Shastra Praman. Vedic evidences. Tadvijnanartham sagurungavadidachet samitpani satriyam brahmanishtam. To understand this tattva, Paramatma tattva, one should approach a bona fide Guru. Who is bona fide Guru? Satriyam brahmanishtam. Another thing. That is bona fide. Satriyam brahmanishtam. Tadvijnanartham saguru bhavi gachet samitpani. Disciple should not approach a Guru empty-handed. Samitpani. You understand? He should collect some samit, some presentations. Must present something to Guru. Samitpani, Sotriyam Brahmanishtam. This Guru is Sotriya Brahmanishta, who has heard this tattva from his Guru. Serving the lotus feet, his Guru was heard, has attained this tattva jnana, Sotriya, this Srauta Paramparja, this hearing process. Hearing process. This hearing process, Srauta Paramparja. Brahmanishta is fixed in that Brahma, Parabrahma, Supreme Brahma, Krishna. He is Guru, bona fide Guru. And one should approach such a Guru to understand, who is very eager to understand Susrusa. Susrusa Dadhanasya. Bhagavata. First canto. Vasudeva Katharuchi. Isn't it? Vasudeva Katharuchi. Was developed taste in Vasudeva Katha? Krishna Katha. Susrusa Dadhanasya. Is very eager to understand, and he has developed Shraddha. Strong faith, unflinching faith in it. It's another qualification, eligibility. Who has developed Shraddha. Strong faith, unflinching faith in the words of that Sadhu Guru, Krishna and Shastravat. Shraddhavan jana hoy bhakti adhikari. Shraddhavan jana hoy bhakti adhikari. Who is eligible for bhakti? Shraddhavan jana. Who has developed faith in words of Sadhu Guru, words of Shastra, words of Krishna. He is eligible. He is qualified person to come to this path of bhakti. Shraddhavan, therefore it says, Shraddhanasya Vasudeva Katharuchi. Therefore it has been said. These are all Shastra Pramanas. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadekyanti te jnanam jnanina tattvadarshina. Chaprasache tattvadarshi Guru. First pranipata, three things, pranipata, pariprasna, seva. This is the process. Completely dedicate yourself, surrender yourself unto that tattvadarshi Guru. Pranipata. Sarvadharmana paritejyo mamekam saranam braja. Krishna's last advice. Most confidential advice. Instruction. Guhyatama Upadesh. To all humanity, through Arjuna in Bhagavad Gita. Sarvadharman paritejya mamekam saranam vraja. Giving up all sorts of religions, just surrender unto me. This Saranagati. Saranagati is the dharma. Jivasya dharma is dharma of the jiva. Saranagati, Krishna, surrender unto the lotus feet of Krishna. You understand? That is Saranagati. Huh? So, Guru first says, Tadvidhi panipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadekshyanti te jnano jnanina tattarsya. You should approach such a Guru, tattadarshi Guru, a seen the truth, who knows the truth, and dedicate yourself, completely surrender yourself unto his lotus feet. This is pranipata. You surrender. You have to surrender unto Krishna, but you can't see Krishna. You can't see Krishna. The conditioned soul has no right at all. No right at all. To know Krishna and to approach Krishna. No, not at all. No. Completely forgotten. Completely forgotten. No remembrance at all. How can you? How can you surrender unto Krishna? How can you say Krishna? So, here says, he has come here. Guru Krishna Rupahano Sastri Rapramani. Guru Rupe Krishna Krupa Korin Bhaktagani. According to deliberate opinion, all liberal scriptures, spiritual master is none different from Krishna. So he has appeared here in form of Guru. So you can see him. So go and approach and surrender yourself at his lotus feet. This pranipata. With full faith. With full faith. There should not be a tinge of doubt in it. Krishna's supreme authority says, Acharyam mangvidanyam navamanyet karichit namatyabdhyasu eka sarvo devamayo guru. Supreme authority is Krishna says like this. One should know the Acharya as myself and never disrespect him in any way. One should not envy him, thinking him an ordinary man, for he is the representative of all demigods. He is as good as myself, Krishna's Acharya Mang, Vijanyam. So, as one surrender unto Krishna, similarly, the conditioned soul cannot see Krishna and he doesn't know how to surrender. So he first approaches a Guru, Tattvadarshi Guru, who is non-different from Krishna. Say that. Scripture says that another tattva is there. I'll say it later on and surrender yourself. Then pariprasna and seva. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadekshyanti te jnanam jnanina tattvadarshina. Is Guru Padasraya, fasting Guru Padasraya. Take shelter of Guru. Pranipato, then pariprasna, then seva. You should serve that Guru. Please him. Serve that Guru, please him. You understand? Then humbly ask this tattva, inquire about tattva. Pariprasna, that's pariprasna. And disciple who is surrendered, he has that right. He will inquire. Pariprasna. Otherwise, those who are not surrendered, their inquiry cannot be turned as pariprasna. No. What they inquire, they have no faith in the words of Sadhu Shastri Guru. How can they do pariprasna? Therefore, pariprasnena sevaya. This is the process. Then out of mercy, Guru is pleased and impart you this tattva jnana. By his mercy you can understand. Therefore says, Guru is required. Shastra, Guru, Atma Rupi, Apna Chitana, Krishna Mur Prabhutra Tha, Jiver Hoy Gyan. Has Shastra, what is said in Shastra, should understand Tattva, so one should approach a Tattvadarshi Guru. Serve him, surrender him unto his lotus feet, serve him, satisfy him, and inquire. Then that Guru will impart the Gyan, who is the manifestation of Paramatma. Then a conditioned soul can understand Krishna Mura Prabhu Trata. Krishna is my eternal master and my deliverer. Otherwise the conditioned soul cannot understand. So all the acharyas have also said this thing. Without surrendering unto Guru, without becoming a servant of the Guru, you cannot become a servant of Krishna. Isn't it? Can one? Can one become a servant of Krishna without becoming a servant of Guru, who is a bona fide representative of Krishna? The manifestation of Krishna, Paramatma, that is right. Those who have not taken shelter, the lotus feet of Guru, they cannot be said as servants. In other words, Vaishnavas. Vaishnava is the servant of Krishna. Or cannot be said as Shishya, disciple, who is not being disciplined by the Guru. How can he be said as disciple? Is it true? Or I am saying something wrong, please correct me. Huh? Yes. And what is he? He is Ahankar Vimudatma. Ahankar Vimudatma. He is bewildered by his false ego. Ego is so great, he never surrenders. Ahankar Vimudatma Kartahmiti Manyate Gita. Isn't it? He wants to enjoy. He doesn't want to give enjoyment to Krishna. भोगी होना चाहता है, भोग देना नहीं चाहता है. Isn't it? भोगी होना चाहता है, भोग देना नहीं चाहता है. सच अहंकार विमूढ़ात्मा, bewildered by very strong false ego. He thinks himself as the master and the enjoyer. Isn't it? I am the master, I am the enjoyer. He never surrenders. He doesn't want to give enjoyment to Krishna. How can he become a Vaishnava, a servant, a Shishya? No question at all. And one should understand, your jiva cannot become an enjoyer. He would be enjoyed or give enjoyment to the supreme enjoyer. The only enjoyer is Krishna. That is said here. My Guru Maharaj has quoted from Bhai Puran. He said this thing. Bhai Puran, in the Bhai Puran, an acharya is defined as one who knows the import of all Vedic literature, explains the purpose of Vedas, abides by the rules and regulations, and teaches his disciple to act in the same way. This is acharya. This is the definition of acharya. Bhai Puran says, Achinoti ida shastrartham acare sthapayadyapi swayam acharati jasmat acharjos tena viddhita. This is quotation from Bhai Puran. This is Shastric evidence. This meaning is here. Prabhupada said. I am not going to say you the meaning. I gave the quote. This is Bhai Puran. Achinoti jo shastrartham acare sthapayadyapi swayam jasmat acharjos tena viddhita. He translates my revered spiritual master. Acharya is defined in Vayu Purana as one who knows import of all Vedic literature, knows Shastra Tattva, Tattvadarshi, Tattvagyata. Explains the purpose of Vedas. He explains. Abides by their rules and regulations. Himself observes. Not theoretically explains. Theoretical saying will never help you. Will never help you unless himself observes in his life. Therefore said, Sannyasarji, Swayam himself observes the purpose of Veda. And Acharya Sthapayati, and teaches his disciples to act in that way. You understand? His Acharya. Yuktasya bhaktanscha nijunjatopi bande Guru Sri Charanarvindam. In Guru Vaishnava it says, Yuktasya bhaktanscha nijunjatopi bande Guru Sri Charanarvindam. When a Shishya comes to that Guru, fixed what he does, he teaches his disciple to act in that way, how to serve Krishna. And he himself is serving. Himself is surrender and teaches how to surrender. By his practical dealings, behavior he teaches. He is Acharya. Another quote is there also. Acharyam bhakti sansanat. Another quote you find. Acharyam bhakti sansanat. He is Acharya who teaches bhakti by absorbing himself in his life. He is Acharya. Is bhakti sansanat. That is why Purana says. Also those who don't act, you understand? Those who don't act but teach, only speak theoretically, what do they do? What is the result? That Brahma Vaivarta Purana says. Another quote you say. So many Shastra Puranas. Therefore it says here. Guru Rupe Shastra Pramani. This Shastra Pramani. You understand? This Shastra Pramani. Guru Krishna Rupahana Shastra Pramani. Guru Rupe Krishna Rupa Korenma. Then Kaviraj Goswami quotes Shastra. This is not theoretical speaking or concocting something or manufacturing his own. No, it is Shastra. Quotes Shastra. So many Shastra you see. Brahma Vaivarta Purana says. Aparikhyo upadisto jata lokanasaya tadamavet. You understand, Maharaj? Brahma Vaivarta Purana says this thing. Aparikhyo upadisto jat lokanasaya tadamavet. If someone, some guru, so-called guru, is so-called guru, not guru bona fide, so-called guru, doesn't observe in his own life by his practical activity, but teaches process of surrender, bhakti. What happens is a lokanasaya. It will create disturbances in the society. You understand? Shruti, Smriti, Purana, Adi, Pancharatrik Vidhir Vina, Aikantiko, Hare Bhakti, Utpataiva Vartate. Another quote you see. Isn't it? Another Shastra. Brahma. Isn't it? So many Shastra. Brahma Vaivarta says the same thing. Lokanasaya Kalpati. He will cause the annihilation of all the living entities. Such disturbances will be created. Isn't it? So-called guru. Hypocrite. He is a hypocrite. He only theoretically says, never practically demonstrates. Such is this guru. So, one thing you should do. Then, let me read this, some other passage. So long is there. So, everything further explanations to understand Prabhupada. Otherwise, you cannot understand. Only out of his immense compassion does the personality of Godhead reveals himself as the spiritual master. I said that. Before whom he reveals. One is very eager, crying in his heart. Every moment eager, how to understand, how to know. Sususu sabdadhanasya vasudeva dharasya. That is eligibility. Therefore, in the dealings of an acharya, there are no activities but those of transcendental loving service to the Lord. You understand? It's loving service to the Lord. He is rendering loving service. He is servant of the Lord. Further you see, you read more about this, what Prabhupada has said. Then I come to that point. How is so dear to Krishna? How is rendering loving service unto Krishna? That is right. Transcendental loving service to the Lord. He is the supreme personality of Sarvita Godhead. He is Sevaka Bhagavan. Sakhyadharitvena samasta sastri uktastatha bhavyateva sadhi kintu prabhurjya priyaiva tasya bandi guru sri charanarami. Isn't it? In Guru Bhashtaka every day you chant it. Huh? What is it? Sakhyadhari. The same thing is said. Guru Krishna Rupahana. He is as good as Hari. Sakhyadhari. Sakhyadharitvena samasta sastri. That's the Shastra. You know, Shastra is said. The same thing. Kaviraj Goswami says. The same thing. Guru Krishna Rupahana Shastra Praman. Is it not concocted? Sure. It's Shastra Praman. Vedic proof. Sakhyadharitvena samasta sastri ruptastata bhavyateva sadhavi. You know, Shastra said, is Sakhyadhari, is that good as Hari, that Guru Pada Putra. Kintu prabhurjya priyaiva tasya bandi Guru Sri. But he is very dear to Prabhu, dear to the Supreme Lord. Prabhurjya priya. I, bandi Guru Sri. Pay obeisances. That Guru Pada Padondana is so dear to the Lord. Is Mukunda Prestha. That we say, the Supreme Personality is a loving service to the Lord. Let me read it. It is worthwhile to take shelter of such a steady devotee who is called Acharya, the Asraya Vigraha, or the manifestation form of the Lord, whom one must take shelter. If one poses himself as an Acharya, but doesn't have an attitude of servitorship to the Lord, he must be considered an offender. Considered as an offender. And this offensive attitude disqualifies him from being an Acharya. How can he become Acharya? The bona fide spiritual master always engages in an alert devotion of loving service unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And this is the test. By this test, he is known to be a direct manifestation of the Lord, a genuine representative of Sri Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Ram, representative of Nityananda, representative of Balaram. That day I was telling that thing, not parents have a lot of Balaram. And this Vrindavan Das Thakur, Chaitanya Leela Vyas Vrindavan Das. Who is the Vyas of Chaitanya Leela? Vrindavan Das Thakur. He has written that book, Chaitanya Mangala. Later on, that name changed, became Chaitanya Bhagavata. Then Lotan Das Thakur wrote another book named Chaitanya Mangala, then the name changed. So Vrindavan Das Thakur said that thing, Sansarero paro hoya, bhaktiro sagare je dubibe, se bhajuko nitai jane. Isn't it? Sansarero paro hoya, bhaktiro sagare je dubibe, se bhajuko nitai jane. One is very eager and serious to cross over this dreadful existence of material ocean. You understand? And drown himself into ocean of bhakti, he must say, he must take shelter of Nityananda Ram. You understand? He must take shelter of Nityananda Ram. Some manifestation of Nityananda Ram is Guru. It's Guru Pada Padma, in other words. You must take shelter of that Guru. Who is the manifestation of Nityananda Ram? That is the idea. That's the idea. By this taste he is known to be direct manifestation of Lord and genuine representative of Nityananda Prabhu. Such a spiritual master is known as Acharya Deva. Influenced by an envious temperament and dissatisfied because of an attitude of sense gratification, mundaneness, criticized the real Acharya. In fact, however, bona fide Acharya is none different from the personality of Godhead. And therefore, to envy such an Acharya is to envy the personality of God himself. Acharya mang vijanyam navamanir karichit namatya vidyasveta sarva deva maya guru. Therefore, Krishna says this. He is quoting Kaviraj Goswami. Therefore, to envy such an Acharya is to envy personality of God himself. This will produce an effect, subversive, transcendental realization. You cannot understand this transcendental tattva. As mentioned previously, a disciple should always respect the spiritual master as manifestation of Sri Krishna. But at the same time, one should always remember that spiritual master is never authorized to imitate the transcendental pastimes of the Lord. This is most important. So not imitate the transcendental pastimes of the Lord. Those who are offenders, those who want to be one with the Lord, equal with the Lord, the so-called Mahapadis, Brahmapadis. You understand? They are great offenders. Because they imitate. I would say, they imitate the transcendental pastimes of the Lord. Also you'll find in this Vaishnava Sampradaya also, you'll also find this is so dangerous. There are 13 Upasampradayas. Do you understand? That came up after disappearance of Srimad Mahaprabhu. This is the activity of Kali. Mahaprabhu first Kali. Do you understand? Kali kukura kodanjabe cha. Kali juga pavana, Kali bhaya nasana, sotinandanga. Isn't it? Kali juga pavana. Kali bhaya nasana, Sri Satinandana. Son of Sachi, Mata is Gaurahari. Satinandana, you should take shelter of him. He has crossed Kali completely. His Kali Juga Pavana, Kali Bhaya Nasana. So, Mahaprabhu gave these 4 regulative principles, where the 4 pillars of sinful activities. No feasting, imitating, no gambling, no intoxication, no illicit sex. These are 4 pillars of sinful activity. Kali Juga means a Juga of sinful activity. So, he bolted his doors completely, tightly. So no question of Kali at all. No question of Kali at all. But then Kali Juga thought of, this Mahaprabhu is completely killed me. What shall I do? I can't survive. I must become Vaishnava. I must become Vaishnava. I must enter into his movement. So Kali has entered. You see, Maharaj. Why Kali has entered in the Mahaprabhu's movement? He is so dhurta. He's cunning fellow. Kali is a cunning fellow. He's cunning. He's not intelligent. 2 words are there. Intelligent and cunning. He's very intelligent and mischievous activities, cunning. He's a cunning fellow. That Kali. So, he thought of like that. So, what he did? Matha moda kopni para. Matha moda kopni mara. Matha mein sikha. Tilak matha. Do you understand? Gala mein mala, hath mein jhula. Eto korir chela. Do you understand, Maharaj? Sarkoli Chela. He shaved his head and kept this shikha, put on kanthi and kaupani, and put on tilak, and this chanting bead is there. The God is Chela, the God is. देखना साक्षात वैष्णव the outward says like a Vaishnava, but never follow these four regulative principles. Do you understand? Sahaj bhojan korche Sri Ram, songe loe porer bala. Do you understand what? This is a very nice song there, but Bhaktivinoda Thakur has written this thing. Sahaj bhojan korche Ram, songe loe porer bala. He sahaj bhojan korche. Taking with him the wife of another person. Do you understand? Apna ke mane nonder lala. Soki bhabe korcher bhojan, apna ke mane nonder lala. You see, that has been said here. Hypocrisy is going on in this Vaishnava Sampradaya also. Imitating Nandar Lala. Apna ke mane Nandar Lala. I am Nanda Lala. I am the son of Nanda Maharaj. When he sees a very beautiful woman, if I preach to her and make her a Vaishnavi, devotee Vaishnavi, then it is all right. Then he preaches that woman and makes her Vaishnava. Now you are become Vaishnavi, I am a Vaishnava. Let us stay together and do bhajan. I am Nanda Lala. You are Radha Sakhi. Success is going on. This is imitation. That is said here. That is said. Revered spiritual master said that. It's imitation. Yeah. Where are you reading? Yes. No imitation, that should be. Bona fide Acharya is not different from personality Godhead. Therefore, to envy such an Acharya is to envy the personality Godhead himself. This will produce an effect subversive to transcendental realization. As mentioned previously, disciple should always respect the spiritual master as a manifestation of Sri Krishna, but at the same time, one should always remember that spiritual master is never authorized to imitate the transcendental pastimes of the Lord. Never authorized. He serves. False spiritual masters pose themselves as identical with Krishna. In every respect to exploit sentiments of their disciples. To exploit sentiments of their disciples. But some impersonalists can only mislead their disciples, for their ultimate aim is to become one with the Lord. This is against the principles of devotional thought. Nobody can become one with the Lord. He is supreme. He is Advaita Satya. He is one without second. He is one without second. So, this tattva is here. That Sakya Doritvena Samasta Sastri Ruptastatha Bhavyataiva Sadvi Kintu Prabharjya Preyeva Tasya Bande Guru Sri Charanarvind. What is tattva? Sakya Dhari, as good as Hari. And here Kaviraj Goswami also, Guru Krishna Rupana, Satra Praman. According to delivered opinion of the spiritual master in non-different forms. What is that? Here also explains. Rupati Maharaj has explained. The real Vedic philosophy is of Vedanta, which establishes everything to be simultaneously one with and different from the personality of body. Srila Raghunath Das Goswami confirms that this is the real position of a bona fide spiritual master, and says that one should always think of the spiritual master in terms of his intimate relationship with the Mukunda, Sri Krishna. Is Mukunda Prestha. Raghunath Goswami has written Manasikya. Isn't it? Manasikya is famous writings. Raghunath Das Goswami, where he has written this thing, it's Mukunda Prashtha. You understand? He has written this thing, once can quote it, and should understand that Raghunath Das Goswami has written. Therefore, Prabhupada has mentioned this thing. It's Mukunda Prashtha. Guru Gosthe Gosthalaisu Sujane Bhusrogane Somantre Sri Namni Brajanava Juba Dundo Sarane Sada Dambham Hitva Kuru Rati Ing Purvamati Tara Moye Swantor Bhatas Chatu Viravijate Drudapada. Then he writes, Nadharmang Suti Gana Nirupti Kira Kuru Brade Radha Krishna Prachura Parichadjani Hatanu Sachi Sunum Nandiswarapati Sutatve Guruvaram Mukunda Prashtatve Smara Aramadasramunanumana. That Prabhupada Maharaj quoted just he gave one hint only. He didn't quote the verse. He says that Srila Raghunath Das Goswami confirmed that this is the real position of a bona fide spiritual master and says that one should always think of the spiritual master in terms of his intimate relationship with Krishna, Mukunda, Sri Krishna. And Srila Jiva Goswami in his Bhakti Sandarbha 213 has clearly defined that pure devotees observation of the spiritual master and Lord Shiva as one with the personality body exists in the term of the being very dear to the Lord, not identical with him in all respects. Following in the footsteps of Srila Raghunath Das Goswami, Srila Jiva Goswami, later acharyas like Sri Vishwanath, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur have confirmed the same truth. In his prayer to the spiritual master, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur confirmed that all the revealed scriptures, Sakshat Bharitena, this Gurvastaka, this Vishwanath Chakravarti. All the revealed scriptures accept the spiritual master to be identical with the personality Godhead because he is very dear, confidential servant of the Lord. Gaudiya Vaishnavas, therefore worship Srila Gurudev, the spiritual master, the light of his being the servitor of the personality of Godhead. In all the ancient literatures of devotional service and more recent songs of Srila Narottam Das Thakur, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, and other Ramavat Vaishnavas, the spiritual master is always considered either one of the confidential associates of Srimati Radharani or manifest representatives of Srila Nityananda. So what Raghunath Das Goswami says, Raghunath Das Goswami, na dharmam, shruti gana nirukti, kira kuru, braje radha krishna, prasura parichadjami atanu, satisunu, nandiswarapati, sutatve, guruvaram, mukunda prashtatve, smara parama, adastram nanumana. Is teaching to the mind, is manasikya. His mind is wicked mind. Dusta mana. Mana to me bada dusta. Mind is very wicked, stupid, stubborn, very strong. Never obeys, disobedient, of Arjuna. Isn't it? That when Krishna in Bhagavad Gita will find told Arjuna to control his mind. Arjuna says very difficult, impossible. Huh? What is that verse? Vayoriva suduskaram jancharam nana krishna pramathi balavat dudham tasma nigraham manne vayoriva suduskaram. Such a warrior, great warrior. Huh? Arjuna, such great warrior. He said, oh Krishna, it is quite impossible. That's impossible I have to check the blowing of wind through your this fist. What is that? Fist? Huh? It's as impossible to control this wicked mind, so stubborn, chanchala, very fickle, very stubborn, very fickle, stupid, rascal, disobedient, everything. You understand? And Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, Mano je pagal moro namani sasa. Oh Gopinath. He prayed with Gopinath. Oh Gopinath, my mind is pagal. It's mad fellow. No man is answered. I tried my best to control some so exercise some control over this wicked mind. Still, it never obeys. No man is answered. It doesn't. Haroden Nityam. I admit my defeat to control this mind. Such manner. So, therefore, this teaching, all these teachings are given to the mind. What is yoga? Training of the mind is yoga. This is yoga. Training of the mind, nothing else. Therefore, in Bhagavad Gita also you find, when Krishna gives his most confidential instruction, first he said, Manmana bhava. First he said, Manmana bhava. Begins from mind. Think of me, keep me in your mind. You understand? Keep me in your mind. Manmana bhava. And when he came out, Mahatma, he said the same thing. You understand? He said the same thing, same instruction he gave. Mahaprabhu gave. Same instruction Mahaprabhu gave. That ahornisa bolo Chinta. 24 hours, day and night, you chant his name. And also think of him. Krishna means, don't think of anything else than Krishna. Same instruction. This mind. The training of the mind is yoga. Yoga is nothing but the training of the mind. So this Manasikya is there. Bhaktivinoda Thakur has written one Manasikya. And this Raghunath Das Goswami has written this Manasikya also. That he said, Na dharmung sudhigara niruptam kidakuru braje radha krishna prasura parichadyami hatanu sachisunu nandiswara pati sutatte guruvaram muganda presthatte smara paramadasam nanumana. He has written, Bhaktivinoda Thakur has written this in poetic form. Dharma bali vede jare ete ko prasansa kore. Dharma bali vede jare ete ko prasansa kore. Taha kichu nahi dharma bali vede jare ete ko prasansa kore. Adharma boliya ninde jare taha kichu nahi koru. Dharma dharma parihoro horato nigudho vyapari jati mano dhori tobo pai se sokolo pori hori braja bhumi vaso kori rataho jugalo sevayo Sri Sachi Nandana dhani Sri Nanda Nandana sane eko kori koroho bhojana Sri Mukunda priyojana Gurudeve janamana toma lagi potito pavana jagate prokoto bhai taha bina goti nai jodi chao apona kusolo taharo chorana dhari tada deso sodasmari e bhakti vinode deho. Bhaktivinoda Acharya says this translation of that verse, Manasikya, second verse. Dharma bali vede jare, ete ka prasansa kori, adharma bali aninde jare, taha kichu nahi karo. dharma pariyar, sarva dharman paritejya. You understand? Give up all sorts of religions. He says the same thing. What Veda says dharma and what Veda says adharma. Give up all these things. You understand? Dharma pariyara. Horato niguda vyapar. Engage yourself in that most confidential thing. Nigura, very confidential. What is that? And that is rendering loving service unto the lotus feet of Radha and Krishna. That is Nigura. Jati mana dhari tava pai, he says. His mind is so wicked, dusta. Never also listens. You understand? So, here, Prabhupada Maharaj says, oh mind, I catch up your feet. I request you. I catch up your feet and request you. You understand? Otherwise, this dusta, wicked mind will never listen. Dhari tava pai. Se sakala parihari brajabhumi vasagari. Rata huva jugala seva. Give up all this dharmas that is said in Vedas. Stay in brajabhumi and engage yourself in the loving service of Radha and Krishna. Sri Sacinandana Dhane, Sri Nandanandana Sane, Ekakari Koroho Bhajan. Sacinandana and Nandanandan, none different. Don't think there is any difference. None different. So do your bhajan in that way. Mukunda Priyajana, Sri Mukunda Priyajana, Gurudeve Janamam. Toma lagi popito pavan, this Guru says. Is Mukunda Prestha. That Prabhupada Maharaj said. Srila Raghunath Goswami confirmed that this is the real position of a bona fide spiritual master and says that one should always think of the spiritual master terms intimate relationship with the Mukunda Sri Krishna. Mukunda Prestha. Mukunda Priyadana Guru Devedana Manu. Oh Mana, mind, you should understand that Guru is very dear, intimate to Lord Mukunda. Krishna, Tomalagi Patito Pavan. For you, he has come here to deliver you. You degraded soul. Patito Pavan. Jagate Prakato Bhai. Taha Bina Goti Nai. Ja Jodi Javapana Kusal. Oh brother, oh my mind, oh my brother. If you want your real good, I, catching hold of your feet, I request you, please, take shelter of that Guru, who is very dear to Lord Mukunda. And for you, he has appeared here, to deliver you, Jagate Prakotuha. Sahabina Botina. Without taking shelter of that Guru Pada Padma, you cannot be delivered. You have no destination at all. Gati Kutopi. Jasya Prasadana, Gati Kutopi. Isn't it? Jasya Prasada, Bhagavad Prasada. Jasya Prasadana, Gati Kutopi. Guru Bhaskar. By the pleasure and mercy of Guru, you can get mercy of Krishna. If Guru becomes displeased, Gati Kutopi, that Krishna cannot deliver you. You understand? Hari ruste Guru trata, Guru ruste na kasya. If Lord Hari will become angry with you, Guru can deliver you. But if Guru will become angry on you, no kasya, nobody can deliver you. Even Krishna cannot. That is it. Jodita apuna kushal. He said, if you really want your own good, please take shelter of that Guru Pada, who is Mukunda Prestha, who is very dear to Lord Mukunda. Tahara charan dhari, tadade sasaras ye bhakti vinode deha. The Bhakti Vinod Thakur said, go and approach such Guru, who is very dear to Lord Mukunda, take shelter at his lotus feet, surrender completely and carry out his orders. Then you will give me strength. Oh mind, then you will give me strength. You understand? That Raghunath Das Goswami says, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says this thing. Another thing is also, Jiva Goswami in his Bhakti Sandarbha has clearly defined that pure devotees of the version of spiritual master and Lord Shiva as one with the personality Godhead exists the term that being very dear to the Lord, not identical with Him in all respects. You understand? This is very confidential tattva. That Bhakti Sandarbha Jiva Goswami has quoted. Let me quote Bhakti Sandarbha. You should know these quotes because these are pramanas. These are proofs. Shastra. Proofs given by acharyas, proofs given by the Shastra. In Bhagavata, you will find fourth canto. Vayantu sakhyat bhagavan bhavasyo priyasya sakhyu khyana sangamena sudustikishasya bhavasya mrityo visaktama vadya gati gatasmaha. This is Pracheta Vakya. Pracheta is offering prayer by saying to Lord Hari, Vayantu sakhyat bhagavan bhavasya priyasya sakhyu. This is significant. Priyasya sakhyu. That is quoted here. That Jiva Goswami has quoted. On this usage, priyasya sakhyu, he has commented in Bhakti Sandarbha. Priyasya sakhyu kana sangamena. Pracheta is saying to Lord Hari that we get the association of pure dear devotee Lord Shiva for a moment, Kyana Sangamena. Therefore now we could meet him. That is the result of the association of pure dear devotee Lord Shiva is Priyasya Sakhyu. So on it, this in Bhakti Sandarbha, Jiva Goswami writes, Sudhavakta Sri Guru, he writes, Sri Guru. Sudhavakta Sri Guru, Sri Shivasya Soho, Bhagavata Soho, Abheda Drusting, Tat Priyatamatve, Naiva Manyanti. This is quotation. That Prabhupada has written. This is translation Prabhupada has given. This is for Prabhupada. Jiva Goswami in his Bhakti Sandarbha 230 has clearly defined that pure devotees of the version of the spiritual master and Lord Shiva as one with the personality of Godhead exists in the terms of that being very dear to Lord, Priyasya Sakhyu. Kintu Pravarja Priya, the same thing. You understand? Bhagavata says, Jiva Goswami says, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur says, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Narottam Das Thakur says, that all have said. In purport, Prabhupada has mentioned all these names. It's clearly defined as pure devotees of the version of the spiritual master and Lord Shiva, one is the personality. One is the personality of Godhead. Exists in terms of that being very dear to the Lord, not identical. This is Tattva. One, but not identical. Do you understand? This is significant. This is significant. One should understand this Guru Tattva. This is Guru Tattva. So, we have this thing. Acharyas have said this thing, Shastra has said, and this is the question of Tattva. This question of Tattva. As if I quoted Kathopanishad. Guru is the manifestation Chaitanya Guru of Paramatma, who manifests, appears before such unfortunate soul who is very eager to inquire about it. And I quoted Chaitanya Charitamrita. Shastra Guru Atma Rupe Apanage Janan Krishna Mor Prabhu Prata Divarvajan. The Shastra, then Guru, teaches Tattva. So Guru is in that sense non-different from Krishna. Therefore, Acharyas have said, and also it said, Yadyapi Amar Guru Chaitanya Rada, Tathapi Janyami Tahar Prakash. It is gone here. It is gone. Yadyapi Amar Guru Chaitanya Rada, Tathapi Janyami Tahar Prakash. Previous verse. Previous to this one, 44, 5. There's 44 verses, this thing. Although I know that my spiritual master is a servitor of Sri Chaitanya, I know him also as a plenary manifestation of the Lord. Isn't it? That means, Ishvara Parama Krishna Sajidananda Vigraha, Anadiraja Govinda Sarva Karana Karana. So Bhagavan Sajidananda, transcendental, spiritual, not material, and he has a body. That body has hands, legs, even limbs also. Do you understand? So, what it says, as if Lord himself is massaging his own legs with his own hands. Do you understand? What it says is very confidential. Priyasya Sakyu, one is very dear, he serves the beloved. Do you understand? The lover serves the beloved, that is very dear. The Guru is Mukunda Prestha. Raghunath Das Goswami says, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, so dear, very dear to Lord Mukunda, Krishna. So that intimate, dear, that Guru, who is very dear, intimate to Mukunda, he is always engaged in loving service unto the Krishna. Is engaged in loving service unto the lotus feet of Krishna. That means it was messaging the legs of Krishna. So Tattva, as Krishna himself is messaging his own legs with his own hands. Because Priyasya Sakyu, Jiva Goswami Pad says. You understand? Jiva Goswami Pad says this thing. As quoted Jiva Goswami, Bhakti. My Guru Maharaj said, in Bhakti Sandarbha clear defined pure devotees of the base of spiritual master Lord Shiva, one with the Supreme Personality Godhead exists in the terms of being very dear to the Lord. In that sense, Priyasya Sakyu is said one, but not identical with He. Is Sevaka Bhagavan and Sevya Bhagavan. Servitor Bhagavan. Guru is servitor Bhagavan. Sakshat Dharitvena Samasta Sastri. Guru is also Bhagavan. The Sakshat Dhari is as good as Hari, but not identical. Is servitor Bhagavan. Is Sevaka Bhagavan. Is very dear. Who serves, who messages the leg of that Mukunda. As if Lord Mukunda, Krishna himself is messaging his own legs with his own hands. Do you understand what I say? Try to understand. This is very confidential problem. That is stated here. Do you understand? That is stated. That means Krishna teaches how to serve Krishna, how to serve himself. Do you understand? I first say, unless Krishna says, nobody can understand this thing. It's Tattva, Paramatma Tattva. Without the help of the sunshine, nobody can see the sun. Without the help of Krishna, nobody can understand it. That I first say. Do you understand that? This Tattva is here. To teach him, to teach his own Tattva, he manifests himself as Gurudev. Isn't it? He manifests himself as Gurudev. So, his Mukunda is Sevya Bhagavan, where his Prestha is dear. Mukunda Prestha Guru is Sevaka Bhagavan. Vishwa Vigraha Bhagavan and another verse we said, Asra Vigraha Bhagavan, two Bhagavans. They are in the same level. Isn't it? This is our thought. Sevaka Bhagavan. And there's nobody as dear to Krishna as my Guru Pada. Nobody is as dear to Krishna as my Guru Pada. He is Mukunda. Do you understand? And Raghunath Das Goswami says, say, and you should understand that Krishna is like this, Mukunda Prestha, and in that way you serve. You engage your mind, you engage yourself and fixed that service-loving service of Lord Mukunda. Then I was quoting the other verse also. Guru Gosthe Gosthar Yodisu Sojane Bhusrogane Somantre Srinani Braja Navajruda Dunda Sarane Sada Dambhitva Kuru Rati Ma Purvamati Taramaye Swantar Bhatas Chatu Viru Vijate Drudapada. That Ananda, that Manasikya is quoted by Raghunath Das Goswami. I quote, but I have not explained it. Let me say. Yes, that he has written Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Guru Deve Brojo Boni Brajabhumi Vasijani Sudha Bhakti Aro Viprogoni Ishtamantre Hori Nami Jugolo Janakame Kororati Apurvo Jatani Dharimana Charana Tomaro Janiachi Ebe Saro Krishna Bhakti Binaro Nai Ghuche Jivero Sansaro Karma Jnana Tapo Jogo Sakaloito Karma Bhogo Karma Chada Ite Keho Nare Sakolo Chariya Bhai Sadha Devir Gunagai Jaro Krupa Bhakti Dite Pare Chari Dambho Nukyono Smarosto Tattvamano Korotahe Nisko Potoroti Seirati Prarthanai Sri Daso Goswami Pai E Bhakti Vinoda Kore Roti. Do you understand, Maharaj? Yes. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Raghunath Das Goswami, teaching to the mind, O mind, Guru Deve, Brajavane, Brajabus Bhumi Vasijane, Sudha Bhakte, Arvipragane, Ishta Mantre, Hari Name, Sugala Bhajanagame, Kororati Apurvo. He says, first Gurudev, first says, then Brajavan, Brajabhumi, then Brajabhumi Vasi, those who are residents of Brajabhumi, then Sudha Bhakto, pure devotee, then Vipra Brahmanas, then Ishta Mantra that Guru has given you, and Harinam, then Jugal Bhajan, serving the lotus feet of Radha and Krishna. These are 8 things. Ashta. Do you understand? It says Ashta Tattva. Charidam Bhanukana Smara Ashta Tattva. These 8 things. Do you understand? 8 Ashta Tattva. Avarvadatane Rati. Develop your strong attachment to these 8. Do you understand? It's a Rati, strong attachment. Srila Prabhupada translated in this as the Rati. Dhari mana, tomar charan tomar eye, O mind, wicked mind, I catch hold of your feet. I request you, please do this. Janiya chebesa, Krishna bhakti bina, nai guche jivero sansa. I have heard from Sadhu Shastra Guru, without Krishna bhakti, Jiva cannot be delivered from this material sansar. Karma, jnana, tapa, yoga, sakalaita karma bho. Karma chharaite kyau na. If you take to the process of karma or jnana or tapasya, you cannot be delivered. You cannot be free from the reaction of your karma. You understand? If you take the process of karma, jnana, only bhakti. Sakal chhariya bhai, Shraddha Devi gunagai, jar krupa bhakti tipa. Therefore, O bhai, O my brother, wicked mind, I request you, give up all these things and develop strong, unflinching faith in these words. words of sadhu shastra guru. Then you develop bhakti, prem bhakti. Charidam bhanukhyana smarastu tattvamana parotahe niskapatarati. Become simple, niskapata, give up kapatya, give up all duplicity, crookedness. Prana vichunichina mahapurushikya, as Mahaprabhu Acharya says, Sridhar Prarthanaya, Sridhasa Goswami Pai, Bhakti Vinoda Karenati. Then Bhakti Vinoda also has this request. So, therefore one should understand this tattva, that Guru tattva, Krishna Jadi, Krupa Karen, later further, it will come here. Here. Krishna Jadi Krupa Karen kon bhagyavani, Guru Antarjami Rupe Sikhaya. Brahmanda Brahmite kon bhagyavana jivo, Guru Krishna Prasade pa Bhakti Lata Bija. Isn't it? Mahaprabhu said this thing. Brahmanda Brahmite kon bhagyavana jivo, Guru Krishna Krupa te paye. That is good. Guru Krishna Krupa. The mercy of Guru and mercy of Krishna. Bhakti Lata Bija, the seed of that devotional creeper is received. Gurudev is also after this. Raj Goswami say, Guru Krishna Jadi Krupa Kare, kon bhagyavani, Guru Antarjami Rupe Sikhaya apne. If Krishna showers his mercy unto some fortunate person, he himself appears as Guru and teaches bhakti. You understand? That is said. This Bhagyavan. Therefore Krishna, I will say, Guru is known as Krishna Krupa Murti. Krishna Krupa, the mercy of Krishna, has assumed a body. That is Guru. Krishna Krupa Murti. Krishna Prasad. Murtiman Krishna Prasad. Guru is Murtiman Krishna Prasad. Guru is an embodiment of Krishna's mercy. Isn't it? If someone gets such a Guru, he is considered most fortunate. So Bhagyavan. Isn't it? Brahmanda Pramitiko, Bhagyavan. This word is very significant, Bhagyavan. Fortunate. Because he gets the seed of that devotional creeper by that. Bhukti, Mukti, Khanaka, Khamini, Pratishtha. Someone may get some material enjoyment, that's Bhukti. Or Mukti, someone may get liberation. Bhukti, Mukti, Khanaka, someone gets some gold. Khamini, someone may get a beautiful woman to enjoy. Someone may get some material name, fame and prestige. In this material world, if somebody gets one or two or something like this, he thinks himself very fortunate. Isn't it? I have gotten this thing. But this is not such fortune. Brahmanda Bhamite kon bhagyavan jiva, Guru Krishna Krupati Paya Lata Bija. What is this bhagya? This is not such bhagya, such fortune. This is something superior fortune. Supermost fortune. Do you understand? Because there is no such fortune like this to get such a Guru. What is that bhagya? Do you understand? Bhogo kimba bhogotya. One may get some material enjoyment and one may develop some detachment. Adverse to this material enjoyment. Status. But this is not bhagya. What is bhagya? What is? This is bhakti. To receive, get this bhakti lata beach. The seed of the devotional teacher. That is bhagya. By meeting such a person, one gets. Do you understand? And other name, the seed of that bhagya, I will say, is another name of that seed is Shraddha. That is said, Shraddha. Shraddha. First I quoted Shraddha. Shraddha means unflinching faith, strong faith in the words of Sadhu, Shastra. That is Shraddha. Guru Krupa. And what is the seed of that Shraddha? That's another question. What is the seed of that Shraddha? Huh? That is Guru Krupa or Sadhu Krupa. That the mercy of the Guru or Sadhu, that is the seed. But in Hari Bhakti Vila, Sanatana Goswami has said that. Nitya siddhasyo bhavasyo prakatyam hrudisabhyata. Do you understand? Maharaj, Sanatana Goswami has quoted this thing. Nitya siddhasya bhavasya prakatyam hrudisabhyata. That seed is sown here. Heart. Do you understand? Guru Krishna Prabhupada by Bhakti Ladhavis. That means, by the mercy of that Guru, one can get Prem Bhakti. So, Shraddha, Ruchi, Priti. And you will find also in Bhagavad, a canto. Kapila, Devuji. Sadam prasanga mama virja samvido bhavanti hrutakarna rasayana katha tajjasana asu apavargavatmani shraddha rati bhakti anuprasati. Isn't it? It's Shastra. Kapila says, Lord Kapila, this says something. Shraddha, rati, ruchi, priti. These are eternal perfect sentiments. Do you understand? Nitya Siddha Bhava. And by the mercy of that Guru, you can have it. Without that mercy, you cannot have it by any means. Isn't it? That is said. Jivar Swarabha Krishna Nitya Das. That's all. I did it. You are eternal servant of Krishna. But that means this servitorship to Krishna is there in you. But it is covered up. Maya Rava. Covering of Maya is there. Isn't it? Krishna Boli says, Jivanadi Bahirmukha, Ate Maya Karideva, Sansara Dukha. Is that covering is there. But Swarup is Krishna Bhakta. That is his Swarup. Jiva Swarup is Krishna Bhakta. A servitor of Krishna, but it is covered up. That is a covering. And Guru uncovers it. That is Guru's business. Who uncovers it, covering. Out of mercy. Do you understand? And one should have this Shraddha, faith in such Guru. Yes, he is the person who can uncover this. Do you understand? Guru develops that Shraddha. Develops that Shraddha. Do you understand? His Guru, one who can develop the Shraddha, is Guru. His Mahabhagavata, his Mukunda Prestha, very dear to Lord Mukunda. Now I get this Bhakti Lata bees, the seed of this devotional creeper. Up till now, up to this time, I was unhappy. But now I become happy. Therefore this is Bhagya. This is fortune. This Mahatma will make me happy. I was unhappy. Now I meet such a Mahatma. Gurupada Buddhan, he'll make me happy now. I have got this seed of devotional creeper now in my heart. And he has come here to deliver me. This is Shraddha. You should put unflinching faith in it. Krishna de tomar, Krishna dite pa, tomar sopoti ache. Ami je krangal, Krishna, Krishna boli, thai to pache pache. O Vaishnava thai. Krishna belongs to you. You have bound of Krishna with the rope of love in her heart. And you are the capable person to give me Krishna. And I am hankering after it. Krishna, Krishna, please give me Krishna. And you are the person. And this is Shraddha. One should have so Shraddha, strong faith in that. This person is Shraddha. Do you understand? And I am so fortunate. I met such a person. I has come to deliver me. So fast. What the Guru does, first Guru inculcates Shraddha unto the person. One who approaches him. Shraddha inculcates. Then Agre-Shraddha. Therefore, Rupa Goswami says, Adu Shraddha, Tata Sadhu Sango, Othodhodana Kriya, Tado Narthani Kriti, Nishthastato, Ruchistato, Tasakti, Bhava, Prema. This Krama, chronological. The association with such person, Mukunda Prasthadana, is ready to work. Mukunda is practically engaged in the loving service. And to Mukunda, to associate with such person or persons by hearing what is said, with full faith, complete faith, then the Shraddha will be inculcated. By mercy, then you can understand who you are, who is that Paramatma and Krishna, and how to get it. Otherwise, no. Chance is there. This is Guru Tattva. Many things are there. It's like ocean, you see, unlimited. And also you find, Kaviraj Goswami has tried. Guru Tattva, so many things will come now. This is all about Guru Tattva now. Many things, many quotations are there. Thank you.